My name's Dan Oliver. I'm a superintendent for Soderberg Masonry. Been with them for about 22 years. This is an addition to an existing high school all around the whole building. We're adding on quite a bit. The masonry, the reach, scaffold, and to get around this site with all our material. First thing is the capacity. For that size of machine to have a 9,000 pound capacity, big bonus, huge. It gets around great to have that kind of capacity. All the features, the tilts, and the slide, of course, the traverse, on terrain like you see here, makes a world of difference. Lulls, for the last 20 years, lulls. So it's very similar, but this capacity just puts that thing to shame. Last month in May, it was 2 foot thick full of mud. I don't know if you can see behind me, I've got a grade to climb, and it climbed it up and down, no problem, with mud tubs full of mud and grout, which is liquid. We were able to handle that without dropping them. This thing's working out real well. Good tires on it. The tires have worked great. We have other lifts out here. We don't, but other companies, they didn't make it. They shut them down. This one kept going, non-stop. Fires up every day. It's been really good. He's been here as long as I have. He's one of the best in the company, if not the best. And he has nothing bad to say about that machine. It's relieving me personally for the stress of picking up loads and booming up and out. Before we always had 6,000. It was always a concern with the loads that we handle. Booming up and out. This thing, it's like feathers. Everything we have is no contest for it. It makes a big difference.